So, I've been taking a close look at the Citi Diamond Preferred Card, and this is my updated, honest review. In this video, I'll cover the main features, what works well, what's missing, and whether this card is worth considering in 2025. First off, the Citi Diamond Preferred is really built for people who want to manage balances with as little interest as possible. The biggest highlight is its lengthy intro APR period, one of the longest you'll find on both purchases and balance transfers. Plus, there's no annual fee, which already makes it attractive if you're just trying to keep costs low. What I really like about this card is the flexibility it gives you with large expenses or existing debt. If you've got a balance you're carrying on a higher interest card, moving it here can save you a good amount in interest while you pay it down. And since it's a Citi product, you also get access to Citi Entertainment for pre-sale tickets and events, which adds a little extra value. That said, let's talk about the drawbacks. This card is very focused on balance transfers and low interest. It's not built for rewards. You won't earn cashback, points, or travel perks like you would with other cards. So if you're someone who likes maximizing rewards on every purchase, this one won't be the best fit. Overall, the Citi Diamond Preferred Card is a strong choice if your priority is saving on interest and paying down balances without extra fees. But if rewards are more your style, you might want to look at other options. I hope this review is helpful, and if it was, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews.